What's up everybody? This video, what I want to tell is that according to my favorite part of life, I will love to fly on my favorite aeroplane, which is not other than Boeing 747. Okay? Let's begin. So in this video, what I would like to say is that according to my favorite part of life, I will fly on my favorite aeroplane, which is none other than Boeing 747. Well, what it sounds like? It would be a question. It's like a dream world saying that type means to say that when I see a Boeing 747, what it means to tell here is that life is separate for me, which means, say we can say example as Air France, so much years of romances in the airplane, which makes me more lovable. That is why I take only Boeing 747 as an example. If you ask me why not any other flights? Because Boeing 747 is an international flight which flies to all the continents in the world. And even if you think like that, there are some areas and routes where these flights don't go to these places because route has been created for that. For example, we can say Virgin Atlantic, right? That flight is only for English countries and British Airways all over the world. So this exactly tells us that how my creative life is different from others. Because you see, I always see a different part of life where my life doesn't have any comparison. And if I say this Boeing 747 all the time, what it strikes to my mind is that there are two things. Number one, so many number of girls with long hair, which I like. And number two, love, happiness and romances in that flight. Well, this makes me think a little bit more a lovable person when it comes to me. Because I see this type of life is more lovable. That is why I say my favorite aeroplane is Boeing 747, which always takes my life in a separate part, contains love and happiness and full of romance in that aeroplane. Because I've seen that aeroplane, something written as Air France, so many years of romances, that touches my heart and make my life more lovable. That is why I look after my health each and every day, because I need a life which is more lovable. Okay guys, this is why my creative part of life is separate, where I would love to fly in my favorite aeroplane, Boeing 747. Okay guys, hope you like it. I'll see you in the next video.